Si Senador Amy Marcos na alarma sa suporta, overwhelming ang suporta kay President Duterte all around the world. Lalong-lalo na ang mga OFW natin, mga bayani. At may mga pagkakataon daw sa rally ng alyansa, ang sigaw ay Duterte, Duterte. Kaya naman si Amy Marcos nag-file sa Senado kung bakit daw si President Duterte inaresto ng ICC. Ngayon lang alam ni Madam Senador, it's too late the hero. Hindi nyo na po basta-basta maipabalay si President Duterte.
Ang PNP po ba ay may hawak na warrant of arrest kaso locally dito ni dating Pangulong Duterte?
Wala po. Wala po tayong hawak na anumang warrant of arrest.
But when it comes to them going into the country, kung gusto nila pumasok dito upang manghuhuli at magpasagawa ng warrant na kanila pong na-issue po siguro ng ICC pagdating ng panahon, kailangan po itong dumaan sa ating court system. Ito po ay kinakailangan ng isang action to enforce a warrant, action to enforce a judgment.
Ito ang statement ni Senador Amy Marcos. I am calling for an urgent investigation into the arrest of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, an issue that has deeply divided the nation. Senator Amy Marcos' statement on the arrest of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. As chairperson of the Senate Committee of Foreign Relations, I am calling for an urgent investigation into the arrest of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, an issue that has deeply divided the nation. It is imperative to establish whether due process was followed. International Criminal Police Organization, Interpol, and the International Criminal Court to shed light on this matter. I am inviting key officials and agencies, including officials from the PNP, OTS, DOTR, DOJ, DFA, NSC, CAAP, and other resource person and witness. Madam Senador, kahit mag-imbestiga po kayo, hindi na po magbabago ang nangyari. Hindi nyo na po may balik si President Duterte. Hawak na siya ng mga dayuhan. Bakit nyo kasi isinuko si President Duterte sa dayuhan korte? Napakasakit talaga yung ginawa nyo. At insulto sa ating justice system. Buong mundo nakatingin sa Pilipinas. Kawawang Pilipinas. Basahin natin ang komento ng ating mga kababayan mula kay Elmer Berong Dalmasio. Hoping that those mentioned agencies will cooperate, give attention to your call, madam. Mula kay Patricia, too late the hero. Time expired. The name Marcos will be added to the dictionary whose meaning is oppressor.